Hello everyone, I said my humble self Chukwuka, and in this video I want to show you guys how to verify who is a trusted seller and who has a new TBC wallet address. Okay, because right now I have somebody who was referred by one of my partners to purchase $100 worth of TBC. So right out of the bat, I've already paid him his 50% TBC. 50% commission, which is $50 for referring someone to me. So you can also enjoy that. Okay. And first of all, secondly, I want to apologize if this video is a bit noisy or has echo. Okay. I'm still working on building my studio where I can do videos that are awesome, more clear, and more educational and also entertaining. Okay, all right. So right now I've already copied the wallet address of the individual who wants to purchase TBC from me. So I'm going to go here straight to on my menu. I'm also logged into my account on the billioncoin.info. Okay, so you have to be logged into your account on the billioncoin.info for you to see the trusted seller option on the menu. So when I click on this, I see three options. Okay, the ones that you pay attention to mostly, especially when you want to sell TBC to somebody or send TBC to someone, is search for trusted sellers and request new wallet. Okay, you have no business at all with request wallet sync. Okay, and by the way, I'm doing this presentation from the Billion Coin app. Okay, it's available on Google Play Store. That is an iOS version that will be sent to you if you indicate that you want the iOS version. Okay, all right, so let me get straight into it. So I want to confirm if this person is a trusted seller. Trusted seller means if they are paid a $10 fee or not. So I know he hasn't paid his $10 fee, but I just want to do an example for you guys, okay? Because he also sent money for paying of his $10 fee, so I'm going to help him do that. So right here, he hasn't put his Facebook, he hasn't put his phone number, email, he's inactive, he's valid, he's not a trusted seller, okay? Now, I want to give you an example of how you know an account that is a trusted seller. So I'm going to use my own personal account. Search. All right, so you see two options right here. Okay, this was my former wallet address, this is my new wallet address. You can see my Facebook, you can see my email. Okay, my phone number is not there. Okay, but I'm active, I'm valid, I'm trusted. Now the asterisk here shows you that the second account is the newest wallet. As you can see from my new customer, he doesn't have a second wallet address and he doesn't have the asterisk in the present address, meaning this shows that his account was registered before November 5th, if I'm correct. Yes, it was never registered before November 5th. So what do I do now with this information I've already gotten? It's simple. I'm going to go back to the menu. I'm going to scroll down, request new wallet. Okay, all right, so under this you can see please allow 24 hours for updates to complete. Now these are all transactions that I've done. Okay, all the people who I have sent TBC to or sold TBC to. Okay, all right, so in this particular person's case, okay, I have to go back because I only have the wallet address. So the wallet address, so I have to get the email address because that's what is associated to the wallet. So I'm going to go back to search trusted seller. Okay, submit it here. Submit it. All right, so I'm going to copy his email address. This is his email address. Okay, select or not select all. Okay, all right, copy this, going back to the menu, trusted seller, request new wallet. All right, so this is his email address. I doubt if this is correct. Okay, but that's what it's showing, so let me submit. All right, So as you can see here, you can see it's pending, so I have to wait 24 hours. Okay, you can see here your request has been submitted. Please allow 24 hours for updates to complete. Okay, all right, so I'll come back and do this again when the wallet address, the new wallet address has been set by TBC support. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.